Et président Soleil, qui c'est socioculturelle organisation Legacy Enlighten You, songez que nous-mêmes nous faisons partie de une organisation qui l'a tout le temps, every Thursday, avec Kiskia Night, avec FYHPL.org. Okay?
No?
No? Was it the right way? No?
You got it.
Yeah, okay. Sure.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I know there are still people here, so good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Perfect. I just want to thank everyone for getting out tonight. I know because of the weather and all, you know, we were a bit slow tonight, but really just you guys being here tonight just means a lot. And I just wanted to really emphasize on this event we're having. I just want to let you guys know, like, really personally, just come out and support us, because this event is really something to us, to the organization. Soleil is something that I started about a couple of years ago, and then I'm really into culture. As you can see, I love dancing and stuff like that, so that's why I started it, and then it just became something so big, you know. I'm just so proud of everyone, my members. So I just want to say, please come support this event we're doing. We're actually fundraising to go to a conference in March in New Orleans. So we really need the support because, you know, it's a fundraiser. So really, thank you for being here tonight, and I just want to see everybody next week, Saturday, and the address is here, Biscayne Garden Civic Center, so I'll be waiting on everyone. That's it. Thank you.